Welcome back. In this session, we'll be covering Class D airspace, which, like the others, requires authorization. The vertical height of a Class D goes from the surface up to 2,500 feet AGL. It's identified by segmented blue lines and no layers, just a core. Class D airspace, like Class B and Class C, is controlled and regulated. It does not have any layers, and ATC authorization is required. Class D airspace is either full-time or part-time, and if it's part-time, the airspace may revert to either a Class E surface airspace or Class G airspace. Either way, check your VFR sectional chart or US chart supplements. Again, Class D airspace has no layers, just a core. It goes from the surface up to 2,500 feet AGL and again charted in MSL. It is identified by segmented blue lines, and the vertical height is indicated by a segmented blue box with a number. In this example, take a look at the airport elevation, which is 5,045 feet MSL. Tack on 2,500 and you get the 7,500 feet vertical height of the Class D airspace. Alright, in this next example we have 3 Class D overlapping airspaces, starting from the surface extending all the way up to 2,500 feet MSL.